Hi everyone and welcome back. Time to kick off Google Sheets tutorial, third video, which is all about telling stories with data. If you haven't watched my other videos about Google Sheets, please check the playlist in my channel Data Management in Google Sheets. Last video we learned how to start a spreadsheet. We know how to add rows and columns to our spreadsheet and move them all around. We know how to print and publish our spreadsheets too. We are well on our way to leveling up our Google Sheets game. In this video, we are going to learn how to format cells, rows and columns in our sheet using conditional formatting and making heat maps. Maybe you are a bookkeeper and you want to make all of your negative values red and your positive values green. Maybe you are an entrepreneur and you want to bold the bottom line on a profit and loss statement. Spreadsheets can get pretty elaborate. You can do things like change fonts, text sizes, merge and unmerge, formatting, reformatting, conditional formatting, which really help draw attention to important points. There's almost a limitless number of ways to design your spreadsheets to effectively communicate your message. I will use a raw data sheet and show how we will improve its design to use these functions. So stay with me.
Here we have a raw data sheet where we have worked before to make reports and use if, sum if, average if, count, etc. all functions. You can watch my most recent video about Google Sheets from my playlist titled Google Sheet Tutorials Analyze Data Basic to Advanced Level, or click the link in the description. You can also check the right side of your screen for the playlist. Now we start the design data sheet. Let's start.
Let's change the font and text sizes on a single cell or a range of cells. Select which cells you want to modify and go to font. As you can see, you have a wide variety of fonts to choose from. Go ahead and select Roboto. You can also modify the font size here in the toolbar. I keep headers a bit larger. You can see here how I change the design, bold the headings. Here's another way to change the font size real quick. Click format, select font size and then choose your font size there. Let's start merging and unmerging cells. Select the range of cells you want to merge. Open format and select merge cells. Here we have the option to merge all or merge horizontally. Your merge options will adapt automatically depending on your selection. If we had selected a vertical range of cells, we would see the options to merge all or merge vertically. Now let's unmerge things. To unmerge a range of cells, click on format and select unmerge. Now let's take a look at how the content of align in our sheet. Okay, you will click up here. Now you can choose to align content to the right, left or to center it. Let's explore different ways to format your content. There are three options that we'll cover right now: overflow, wrap and clip. If you select overflow, the content will overflow to adjacent cells. See that? Okay. If you select wrap, the content will fit within a single cell and you can view all of it. the cell might get bigger. This is useful when you want to make sure all the contents of the cell are in view. If you select flip, the content will still overflow but no longer pile into adjacent cell. Content beyond the cell size will be hidden. So sometimes this can make a spreadsheet look neater as a whole, but your trade-off is that sometimes some data in the cells is not in view all the time. This time reformatting rows and columns. You can select a row by its number or a columns by its letter. Any formatting you do there will apply to the entire row or column. For example, we can apply a fill color to the entire row. We can bold all the row contents, and we can apply a font color to the entire row. That's easy, right? Just this way we can fill the column also and change the design. And this simple technique can be really powerful when you need to tell a story with your data and make sure others understand what's important. I'm going to finish the whole design here. You can watch here until the finish my design. I can formatting, set color style, differentiating the data. You can see here how it has changed the datasheet design. Let's do conditional formatting. It's very easy to format individual cells based on their contents. To do this, let's select these cells, choose format, and then conditional formatting. Then we are going to select the type of role we want to use. We can get pretty specific with our data. See all these options available. We can choose to highlight values greater than, less than, or equal to, and specify text and cell contents as well. We can set a color scale and choose different colors to see minimum points, maximum points. We can create as many conditional formatting rules as we would like. We can make heat maps. Applying conditional formatting and selecting polar scale is a very easy way to make a heat map. Heat maps are scales that highlight quantities from smallest to largest by highlighting shades of colors from lightest to darkest, or vice versa. It's all up to you. Let's do that right now. Let's say we want to make a heat map to indicate box office revenue. we can actually set different rules for conditional formatting. Over here, select color scale. The default here is going to be to color, the highest value white and lowest value a dark, but we can change the scale to any color we like. We are not going to specify the minimum value or the maximum value. We just want to analyze all the values in our columns here and we'll hit done. Please watch my next video for the complete design of datasheet, where we will also learn about how to design your sheet to highlight trends and how to enter objects such as images, checkboxes, create hyperlink, many more. Please like, subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get the update videos notification. See you next video.